Hello, my dearest friends. You might have guessed who I am. You are right. I am Prerna and I am here again to tell you a beautiful story. But before I continue, do you know how important it is to save electricity? There are so many people out there in some rural areas who don't get to enjoy the facility of electricity. Imagine sitting at home in a hot summer without a fan. So my dear friends, it is very important that you save electricity in any way possible. Switch off the lights and fans when you are not using them. This is how you will become a donors of electricity. Amazing, right? So, today's story is called The Parable of the Pencil. I am happy to tell you that we have a new Sakhi with us, Masuma, who help us create wonderful stories for you. So, let's begin. The pencil maker took the pencil aside just before putting it into the box. There are 5 things that you need to know, he told the pencil, before I send you out into the world. Always remember them and never forget, and you will become the best pencil you can be. 1. You will be able to many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be held in someone's hand. 2. You will experience a painful sharpening from time to time, but you will need it to become a better pencil. 3. You will be able to correct any mistake you might make. 4. The most important part of you will always be what's inside. And 5. On every surface you are used on, you must leave your mark. No matter what the condition, you must continue to write. The pencil understood and promised to remember and went into the box with purpose in its heart. Now, replacing the place of the pencil with you. Always remember them and never forget, and you will become the best person you can be. 1. You will be able to do many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be held in God's hand and allow other human beings to assess you for the many gifts you possess. 2. You will experience a painful sharpening from time to time by going through various problems in life, but you will need it to become a stronger person. 3. You will be able to correct any mistake you might make. 4. The most important part of you will always be what's on the inside. And 5. On every surface you walk through, you must leave your mark. No matter what the situation, you must continue to do your duties. Allow this parable of the pencil to encourage you to know that you are a special person and only you can fulfill the purpose to which you were born to accomplish. And the moral of the story is always be humble to your family and friends and never be scared to make mistakes. You can always correct them. So friends, did you enjoy this story? Do you let me know? I am learning so much from these beautiful stories and I am sure you are too. I want to thank Aarti Naik Changemaker for giving me this opportunity to come to you with exciting stories every day. I will bring you a wonderful story tomorrow as well. Until then, stay safe and save electricity.